Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today class I will take about team sports in India. What is team games? A games or sport in which terms rather than individual complete. A sport or style of play, competitive teamwork over the skill or effect of any particular individual in a team. An activity which require competitive effect. Example are basketball, volleyball, cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi and so on. First team game is basketball. Basketball is a game played between two teams of 5 players, each on a rectangular court, usually indoor. Each team tried to score by tossing the ball through the opponent goal and evaluate horizontal hoop and net called a basket. Players score point by shooting the ball through the hoop. Basketball has become popular for a number of reasons. Basketball is fun to play. Basketball has a very fast and exciting piece of play. Also, each player on the court get to play both offense and defense, and the role of each player are only losing defined. Basketball is a team sport. Two teams of 5 play each try to score by shooting a ball through a hole 10 feet above the ground. The game is played on a rectangular floor called the court, and there is a hoop at each end. The court is divided into two main sections by the mid-court line. Second team game is volleyball. Volleyball is a team game sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score point by grounding a ball on the other team court. Under organized rule, it has been a part of the official program of the Summer Olympic Games since Tokyo 1964. Some basics rule of volleyball: 6 players on a team, 3 on the front row and 3 on the back row. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in turn. Block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net doing a volley and on a serve. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. A ball is out if it hits an antenna, the floor completely outside the court, any of the net or camber outside the antenna. The remember stand on pole. The ceiling above a non-player play area. Opposition batsmen in their final inning in order to win the match, which would otherwise be draw. Our next team game is Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a contact team sports player between two teams of 7 players. Each player are taken out of the game if they are tagged or tackled, but are brought back in each point scored by their team from a tag or tackle. It is popular in the Indian and other surrounding Asian countries. There are broadly 2 categories of skills that a Kabaddi player need to learn are offensive skill and defensive skill. Toe touch, foot touch, squat leg, kick, touching or hand through upper limbs. In case they do not, Kabaddi will them increase their stamina by constantly running after an opponent, thereby increase the player's strength endurance. Kabaddi also required it play to hold their breath and move the speed and accuracy. This increase their endurance level and breathing strength. Next game is football. Association football, more commonly known as football or soccer, is a team sports player with a spiral ball between two teams of 11 players. It is played by 250 million players in over 200 countries and dependents, making it the world's most popular sports. Scorers work out in the game as follow: touchdown 6 point. A touchdown is scored when a team crosses the opposition goal line with the ball or catch or collect the ball in the end zone. Find goal 3 point, extra point 1 or 2 point, safety 2 point. The game is played using a spiral ball of 68 to 70 centimeter circumference, known as a football. Next game is hockey. Hockey is a sport in which two teams play against each other by trying to measure a ball or a puck into the opponent goal using a hockey stick. There are many types of hockey such as bandy field hockey, ice hockey and rink hockey. The field hockey games can either be played on a grass field or on the turf, a specially made mat-like material. India performed in hockey at various international formats during 1920 to 1950 period, and that was probably why the sports became accepted as national sports in the country. Next game is tennis. Tennis is a racket sport that can be played individually against a single opponent or between two teams of 2 players each. Each player uses a tennis racket that is strung with cord to strike a hollow rubber ball covered with felt over the around in net and into the opponent court. The game starts with a coin toss to determine which player must serve first and which side they want to serve from. The serve must then serve each point from alternative side on the baseline. At no point must their serve feet move in front of the baseline or the court prior to hitting their serve. Next game is cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players on a field at the center of which is a 22-yard pitch with a wicket at each end, each comprising 2 balls balanced on 3 stumps. Basic rule of cricket: hitting the ball and running between the wickets and making into the other end before the fielder can hit the wicket with the ball. Hitting the ball to the boundary along the ground is 4 runs. Hitting the ball over the boundary on the full equals 6 runs. The main objective of each team is to score more runs than their opponent, but in some form of cricket is it also necessary to dismiss all the opposition batsmen in their final inning in order to win the match which would otherwise be drawn.